Equation Chemistry YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about integrated rate equations. In this integrated rate equations, third order reaction rate, third order reactions. In this third order reaction, rate of the reaction, rate constant of the reaction, and units of rate constant and its half life we are going to discuss here. So particularly for the third order reaction, consider a third order reaction. A gives rise to the it is in a product P, and its initial concentration is a and this one is a 0 at a time or t equals to 0. Initial concentration A at a particular time t equals to t, and its initial concentration is a minus x, and this one is a, so that is in a Ex is a for the product. So according to the law of mass action, I can write the rate is directly proportional to the A minus x whole power 3, because it is a third order reaction, and I can write this is in a dx by it is in a dt is equals to this is in a k3 into A minus x, so whole power 3, and you can write the integration of 1 by A minus x it is in a whole power 3 into dx, that is equals to k3 into integration of dt, and this one I can write down this is a minus x, so whole power this is a minus 3 dx, so that is equals to, so this is a k3 into integration of dt. I can write down as a kt k3t plus constant c, right? So now, and this integration of a minus x whole power minus 3, I can write down this is in a, so 1 by this is a minus 3 plus 1, this is an a minus x whole power minus 3 plus 1 into integration of this minus x, I can write down as a this is a minus 1, that is equals to this is in a k3t plus c is a constant. So this minus 1 here minus 2 is there, that minus minus will get cancelled here, so that I can write this is in a 1 by 2 this is a whole power a minus x, so 1 by this is in a 2 into a minus x whole power 2 you will get, and this is a simply a k3 t plus c. To find out this integration constant, so if t is equals to 0, then x is also equals to 0. You can substitute in the above equations. E is equals to, so 1 by 2a square you will get. Substitute in the above equation 1 by 2 into a minus x, so whole square, so that is equals to this is a k3t plus this is a 1 by 2a square. Okay, so if you take this 1 by 2a square this side, I will get this is in a k3t is equals to 1 by 2, you can take it as a common in this one, and you will get this is in a 1 by a minus x whole square minus this is in a 1 by a square. So because this one is taking this side, and now you can take the LCM on both sides. Whenever I am taking the LCM on both sides, and you will get this is in a LCM on both sides. Take the LCM on both sides here, rate constant k3 is equals to, so 1 by this is in a 2t, and this one a square minus this is in a minus x whole square divided by, so this is in a square into a minus x whole square. So this is the formula I will get. You can expand this one in this one. Here I will get this is in a k3 is equals to 1 by 2t, and I can write this is in a square minus a square, so minus x square plus 2ax you will get divided by, so this is a square into a minus x whole square. Okay, so this is an a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means before minus is there already, you will get minus a square minus x square. Here x you can take common in the numerator, and I will write this is in a k3 is equals to 1 by 2t. So if you will take x is a common here, x into this is a 2a minus x whole divided by this is in a square into a minus x, so whole square. So this is a third order rate constant when a single reactant is involved in the rate of the reaction. Now units of this units of k3. In this units of k3, this is a time inverse, and this is an a minus x to a minus x. So 1 will get cancelled. Actually here x units are the moles per liter, a square units also moles per liter whole square. 1 will get cancelled. Here also again moles per liter, here also moles per liter whole square is there. So that's the reason I will get that its units of the simply. So 1 by this is in moles per liter whole square. So into this is a t also there, no, 1 by even time also it is there. So that means I can write down its units of the liter. It's a units I can write down. This is in moles per liter. Here moles per liter it is there, so that I can write its units of the third order rate constant units. So liter square and mole inverse, and you will get this is a liter square. Here you will get units. Units you will get liter square and mole power -2 and time inverse. So after simplifying this one, you will get that a liter square and a mole -2 and time inverse is the units for the it's the third order rate constant. And in the same way, so you can write it's a half life. So here half life point of view, half life is the time required to complete the 50% of the reaction or 50% of initial concentration. So if x is equals to here a by 2, then I can write this as a t will become as it's a t of and substitute this both in the above rate constant equation, so that I will get this is in k3 is equals to 1 by 2 t of into this is in x a by 2. So this is in here a by 2 into this is in 2a minus here it is in a by 2. So divided by, so this is in a square into and a square by into this is in a square by this is a 4 you will get okay. So this is a simple one 4a by 2 get with a 3a by 2. Yeah. So here k3 is equals to 1 by 2 t of so this one simplification, this is a by 2 into this is a 3a by 2 divided by this is an a square into this is a square by 4. So denominator 4 will get cancelled here, and here this a and a, this a square will get cancelled here. So this you will get as a k3 is equals to, simply I can write 3 by 2 t of into this is a 1 by a square you will get. So this is a simple third order rate constant. Or in the same way I can write this one is it's a so if you will make this t of is a subject of the formula, that I can write down this is a 3 by 2 k3, so into this is in a 1 by a square. Okay, so this is a simple one, and from this I can write this is in a t of is inversely proportional to the 1 by a square. Okay, so and graphs, so here graphs is commonly, so we'll write for the it's a initial concentration that is in a dx by dt versus is a minus x concentration. So we will get this is in a one straight line which is passing through the origin, and its slope is equals to k3, right? So this is a simple one. Or if you plot a graph between this t of is taking on the y-axis, and here 1 by a square value is taking on the x-axis, and you will get this is in one straight line passing on to the x-axis origin. M is equals to this is a 3 by 2 K3 is its slope. So this is another one. These are the graphs. If two or more than two reactants are involved in the reaction, or if all the three different reactions are involved in the reaction, then I can write its rate of the reaction and the rate constant of the reaction is going to be different. So if there is a single reactant is involved, just now we have seen, if there is two or more than two reactants are involved in a third order reaction, if two or more than two reactants are involved, so that I can write here if all the three, and other case is if all the three different reactants like A plus B plus C giving rise to the product, if all the three different reactants are involved and its rate is equals to, so I can write this is in it's a rate constant K3 into this is a minus X into this is a B minus X into this is a C minus X is another one. Okay, so from this we can simplify the this differential rate equation dx by dt, that is equals to this is a K3 into, here it is a minus X into this is a B minus X into, here it is a C minus X. So this is a one possibility, and other one is if there is a 2A plus B giving rise to the product mark. So this is also another possibility for the third order reaction. Whenever this kind of reaction is given up and its a rate is equals to, here it is a rate constant K3 into this is a minus 2x whole square into this is an B minus X is a 1. Okay, so this is another possibility, and from this also I can write this is a dx by dt is equals to this is a K3 into A minus 2x whole square into, so this is a B minus X. On simplification of this integrated equations, we'll get the rate constant equations now. So this is about third order reaction.